Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time we drop new videos. Today we're diving into the exciting world of data entry job. Are you looking for a flexible job that allows you to work from anywhere, anytime? Whether you are just starting your career or looking for a change, data entry jobs might be the perfect opportunity for you. Data entry is in high demand right now. Many companies are hiring for these roles, and the best part, you don't need a lot of experience to get started. All you need is attention to detail, basic computer skills, and a desire to succeed. Right now, there are hundreds of companies looking for dedicated individuals to join their teams. And the best part, you can get started today, provided you have submitted your application and you met their hiring requirements. This is not an easy task. Now let's head over to the job page and I will walk you through the application process. Okay, my lovelies, as you can see on this website, it's remote.co. On this, you could see a lot of remote job listings. They have thousands of job listings here. In this video, we're talking about data. So we're going to click on data entry. It brings us to remote data entry jobs, work from home. That tells you it's 100% remote, okay? And we already highlighted the data entry. You want to look through what data entry job they're currently hiring for and what is posted. On this first one, we saw data entry German language. Of course, if you're someone who speaks German language, you might want to, look at this to see if it interests you in any ways. And then look at the second one. There is data entry specialist and it says remote. This is needed by ABC Legal Services. So you want to click on it to look at the posting and see what it is all about. On this page, it's like an overview of what the job is about. First thing you want to confirm is the location is remote. Salary is $14 per hour. And this is posted 3 days ago, meaning this is a current active job that is currently hiring. And it shows entry level, full-time, and is international. So you want to go down. For me, what I would do is go through the job overview and also look at the requirement to see if this is what I can do, to see if I meet the company's requirement. So the job overview tells you about what is needed from whomever is going to be performing this job. And it shows they need a data entry specialist, a QC personnel that can facilitate the production process of accurate documentation provided to our process service team. In other words, they're looking for someone who will be who will be responsible for transmitting documents amongst their production team. Okay, and then they said this position is full-time. You want to look at the key responsibilities. It shows this person is going to be reviewing and file legal documents using internal systems and email. In other words, we all know everybody uses email. The internal system could be something you will be trained upon if they have another ways of transmitting, communication among the teams. And then you want to sift through, look at the qualification. In this place, they told us no experience is necessary. Data entry experience is a plus. So if you already did this in the past, is a plus. So you stand higher chances of getting hired. Okay, and go through high school diploma or GED, require ability to perform repetitive tasks with accuracy. These are things I believe you and I can do. And it says type 60 plus word per minute. WPM is word per minute. So they want you to be able to use keyboard. Some people type more than that. But if you can type 60 words per minute, this would definitely be, job for you to explore. And then they still go down to tell you more about the company and say, we know that a company's success starts with its employee. We also know that an individual success starts with the right career opportunity. Join our team. In other words, this is a company that prides themselves, with having the success of their employees at heart in order for them to become successful. They're also telling us here that they have comprehensive medical, dental, and vision coverage, retirement plan, 10-day holiday pay per year, referral program, starting pay $14 to $16 per hour. So they even giving you a window here that this job is negotiable. If I want to apply for this job and I already done data entry in the past, I will be negotiating for $16. I'm not going to settle for the $14 because it's already an option. And schedule is full-time Monday through Friday. It's remote. If after going through this and this interests you, you just want to click on apply for job. It will bring you to this page that shows you do one other job like this. They have 20,000 plus job, guys. If that doesn't work, another one can work for you. But right here, I'm just going to click no thanks, take me to apply. And that's it, and it brings you to the page. Okay, let's go back to the same website. We're still going through. I just want to show you, lovelies, that you can get this. You can get a job if you really want a job, okay? And this is a job that you do from the comfort of your home. The second one says Data Entry Specialist by Sensora. I hope I pronounced that well. And then we click on Open. We're also going to do the same thing to scan through what is required for this job. This is remote. Location is remote, Quebec. This company is based in Quebec, Canada, and is remote. So you can do this from anywhere. Salary, it's 33,600 Canadian dollar per annum. What? And posted is 3 days ago. Full time is international. So you also want to go through like we did, just read through. By the time you put in 2 or 3 application or 5 in a week, trust me, you should be getting a job. And the same thing, the schedule is full time. You come here, if you want to do this, you click on apply for job. And I will go down and say, no thanks, take me to apply. So you want to sign up with them, and click apply, and that's it. This job is available. Ready to unlock your future? The time is now. Start your journey towards a flexible, fulfilling career with data entry jobs currently hiring. Click the link in the description to explore open positions and apply today. If you find this video helpful, kindly like it, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to WellPulse TV. Turn on the bell notifications so you get notified whenever we drop new videos. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay winning and stay financially independent.